There's a need to train community health promoters on counselling so they can better support those in need within the community. In an interview with the Eastleigh Voice, Asha Hassan, a community health promoter in Kibra, noted that many people are sinking into depression, yet they often do not know how to help them.
Hatuna ile elimu ama tumeenda ile elimu ya counseling ya kuhandle na kumanage stress, so ile masomo tuna elimu kidogo tunaweza kuwapa ile motisha kwa convince ya kwamba hakuna kitu haiwezekani.
Meanwhile, Public Health Principal Secretary Mary Muthoni said community health promoters remain a key pillar in service delivery as the country shifts focus to promote rather than purely preventive healthcare.
His Excellency, the President of the Republic of Kenya, is very keen at having the citizens of this country and the development of the nation move to the next level. We have seen issues of the school, affordable housing, health sector where I work, and we have seen the movement and also the growth into the areas that we have.
Kenyans are being encouraged to embrace the alternative justice system as a way to ease the blockage of court cases. Speaking during a forum in Meru organized by Ruto international stakeholders, including government officials, civil society, and the 𝐍𝐢𝐬𝐿𝐴 Council of Elders highlighted the benefits of alternative justice system. Francis Mungai of Ruto International noted that community reconciliation centers have already been established in 14 locations across 4 sub-counties in Meru. He explained that mediation fosters win-win solution while easing pressure on the formal court system.
So basically, this meeting was about promoting alternative justice system, and we all know the advantages of alternative justice systems in that it reduces the backlog of cases in courts, and we also have win-win outcomes. It also promotes unity, whereby both parties are contented with the agreements reached through these systems.
A senior assistant county commissioner, Agnes Kinanda, said alternative justice system saves time and cost and helped cut succession and minor cases such as GBV in Meru courts since 2022. Assistant county commissioner Ann Mwaniki, a certified mediator, added that mediation provides opportunities for job creation among youth and elders.
And what I like about mediation, because it's one of the forms of alternative justice system. We have arbitration, we have mediation, so mediation falls under AJS. And what I like about mediation is that it is a healing process. And why I say it's a healing process is that it solves misunderstandings, it solves miscommunications, so it brings people together. It doesn't just solve the issue at hand, but it also goes deeper to solve the underlying issues. That's why I say it's a healing process. So people really need to consider mediation. Instead of unapata jambo unakimbia pale kotini, tafuta mediator ambaye anaweza kukusaidia. It is less expensive, it is more flexible, it is more confidential, na mambo yako you get solutions faster.
President William Ruto has criticized individuals rushing to court to block the pending medical claims verification committee, insisting that accountability must come before payment. Speaking on Sunday after church service at St. Peter's ACK Cathedral in Siaya County, Ruto emphasized that no public funds will be released without proper verification, warning that corruption in hospitals will no longer be tolerated under the government's new digital tracking system. He explained that the Social Health Authority's digital platform has exposed long-standing fraud in hospitals previously operating under the National Hospital Insurance Fund (NHIF). According to President Ruto, hospitals resisting the verification process are essentially trying to shield corruption practices.
Why do we have 30 billion shillings deni ya NHIF leo? Na tukisema wacha tufanye verification ya hiyo debt ya 30 billion, mahospitali wanaenda kotini wanasema they don't want verification kwa sababu wanajua ndani pale iko wizi, and we are not going to pay until we verify, because we are not going to spend public money to pay corrupt people. Ama namna gani jameni? So we are telling the people who think the theft they were carrying out in NHIF watalete kwa SHA, nyinyi mnaota ndoto ya mchana. Haiwezekani.
To sports, Kenya Prisons assistant coach Azenga Mavisi has shifted his focus to leading the ward race back to National Volleyball League title after an impressive stint with the Malkia Strikers at the recently concluded FIVB World Championship in Phuket, Thailand. Mavisi, who made his debut on national team's technical bench, said the experience and exposure gained on the global stage will be valuable as Prisons prepare to challenge defending champions Kenya Pipeline when the new season begins in late October, adding that the technical bench is considering monthly training camps to keep the team in top form. The third batch of players and officials, including Mavisi, are expected back home on Monday afternoon.
For sure, I mean by maybe international friendlies would do us better. Because if you competition, they're very chache sana, you see. So if we can have international friendlies, they will build. I think the government just help us and give us a financial assistance. Because so many teams, even including the Germans, they really have appealed to us if we can get time to go and maybe train and maybe play them.
And that's it from the Eastleigh Voice News Desk.